Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? The 11:45 service to Cardiff Central is delayed.
Your attention, please. The 14:25 service to Manchester Piccadilly is now boarding. Oh no, where is my ticket? Excuse me, where is platform 9? It is just right around that corner, miss.
Look.
Excuse me, I think I missed my train. I'm not sure what to do. Don't worry, I can help. I know I have it right here. Take your time, miss. Oh, here it is. Here it is. I found it. I found it. Perfect. You are all set to go. Platform 6 is just over there. Oh, thank you so much. I'm so glad I made it.
I wouldn't have missed it for the world.
I lost my ticket and I got so nervous speaking English. I didn't know what to do.
Don't worry, we will find it. You can do this. Just say, "Hello, where is the station?"
Hello, where is the station?
Perfect. Now try one ticket, please.
One ticket, please.
This is actually fun, see? You're getting really good at this. So, where does the 14:33 to London Paddington leave from?
That would be platform 6, directly behind us.
Perfect. You are ready for the job. You have to catch the next train right now or you will be late. Late?
Can you please speak a bit more slowly?
You are going to do great. Come on, let's get on before it leaves.
We are all booked in.
I think our seats are just up here.
Yes, 12A, perfect. I'd like a sandwich and water, please. Here you go. Enjoy your meal. Would you like that heated up or is it fine as it is? I'm sorry, could you repeat that, please? Would you like that heated up or is it fine as it is? That is fine, thank you.